Okay. I don't see that video so. I don't see am. Peter Obi Atiku, Rotimi Amechi. Na dem be that. Na the meeting, the coalition meeting where dem go sit for, where dem go do. Na be that. You see, when we dey talk, it go be like say we no know wetin we dey talk. Power, dey hungry una. Not be say na really get good mind, so na wan really repair this country. Na power dey hungry una. And that is the truth. Tinubu wey dey there, nobody talk say na him be the best. Nobody talk say na him good pass. But una just wan try say make una unseat am. All those things not fit work. I doubt am if Tinubu not go use in 8 years complete. Because all these strategies when they try gather, that thing not fit work. He get sense personal. He get sense personal. Atiku where they vie for power now. Ask me. The idea where he want use take run the country now, where the idea they when him be vice president? Why not share am with Obasanjo that time? Money for electricity where Obasanjo put for him, where Obasanjo carry Atiku put in charge. Where the money enter? Where the money enter? Obasanjo will talk say over his dead body, na Atiku go take rule Nigeria. So he don't know wetin they talk. Even though say Obasanjo get him own for body. All of una just did here. All of una, all the politicians. If na not say na really love Nigeria, may una not fight for power. Because the ones wey dey power now, no one comot. The ones wey don't comot wan come back. Why una not fight say make them change the laws, our constitution? Why una not fight for that one? See INEC where we dey shout all this while say make them reform, make them reform, make them reform. How many of una don't ever come out and talk about them? How many of una don't come out and talk about them? Una just dey find where una go thief, give una family. Now wetin una dey after be that. Nothing concern una about the betterment of the country. Una allow Tinubu make it finish in 8 years. So that when una own time reach, una go still enter. Buhari waste 8 years out of his age, because I know if he talks in a part of my age, he waste in own age. He wasted 8 years. Tinubu don't start in own now. Nothing to show say the country is going to become better anytime soon. Nothing. Whenever I want to talk, we go talk say make we go ask our governor. Who them born where we want asking governor? Who them born where we won't go asking governor question? Ordinary councillor, ordinary local government chairman. Who don't ever go asking questions? Even me where they talk, I don't know the local government chairman for my local government. I don't know her. Whether na black or white, apart from posters when in one contest. Now those ones you talk to me, I go ask. We dey play too much for this country. We dey play too much. Not maybe that now where they don't disrupt una. Person wey dey power, you think say you get sense pass am. Una never serious.